last year on the first Saturday, opening weekend. We got a little bit of snow and I followed some fresh tracks, and they came right up through here into a little bedding area that's about 80 yards to my right now. And then I actually chased those deer up the mountain, across the mountain, and back down the mountain. Long story short, though, I'm trying to capitalize on a doe coming back to this bedding area. That's the goal. That's what I'm hoping. I'm 2 sticks high in my Lone Wolf custom gear, public land stand, and I'm feeling good. I think I should have some good shooting once daylight comes, and I haven't seen anybody else come in around me. I mean, I'm a long way from the nearest parking lot. Like I said, I'm about a mile in from the nearest parking lot through a couple boulder fields. I mean, it takes some dedication to get back here, so I don't plan on dragging anything out. I got the game bags, I got a sharp knife. My plan is to put it on my back and carry it out, so. They definitely came back this way a little while. I wonder if they ran into a guy out there. It's a west wind, so it's blowing across the mountain. So it's totally possible they caught somebody else's wind and came back this way. It's a buck. I was watching up the mountain, and I heard a noise behind me that sounded like deer, and when I turned around I saw a flash of movement. By the time I got the gun off and started trying to find her, she got behind some brush and just never stepped out to give me a shot. She actually was pretty much working away, like quartering away from me, coming up the mountain, but quartering away, and just kept going deeper into the brush. I got deer running through out to the left, but there's no way they come to me unless they get up on the next bench, work their way over. That's just too far without a solid rest. honest. They came from the direction I expected them to come from. Just, they didn't make it over to me, unfortunately, like I was hoping they would. I'd love it if they came this way. Most of them already went up the mountain though, and there's 75 yards of a boulder field between me and them. Well, I should say between me and the next closest open hardwoods. Alright. My brother just texted. I heard a shot. Sounded like it was from his direction, and he just texted me and my dad. He shot a buck. Heck yeah. That's his first PA buck. That might be his first rifled deer. Maybe. But either way. Awesome, my brother just got a buck. Heck yeah. Awesome, good for him. Good for him. Now hopefully my dad can get one too. Brandon, you want to tell the story of how it happened? Your first PA buck? And then I'll actually take your picture with a camera.
Alright. So, I was sitting about 30 yards down that way, and I see a little doe coming up through, and didn't have a tag for her, so I was going to let her go. And didn't see him until right at the last second. I'm sitting there watching her, and all of a sudden I see antlers come up behind. Picked up the gun, put them in the scope, immediately saw 3 up top on this side. Knew I was going to take the shot, and made a nice shot. It's on the other side, so you can't really see it.
You don't.
It's not. It's right here.
You don't need to show it.
Yeah, YouTube won't like that.
I was gonna say I can't show blood anyway. Otherwise, YouTube will demonetize me.
Yeah, but proud to put my tag on first PA buck this year.
Yeah, I did buy him. A little bit too big of a jet sled.